So it seems like asymmetric, you know, deals with all the issues we had with symmetric. You don't, just like I talked about, it provides these security services we need. We don't have a key management issue. We don't have to do this whole out-of-band thing. So why don't we just go to asymmetric and just call it a day? Well, there's always something. There's always a catch. And the catch is that asymmetric algorithms work too slow. They work too slow compared to symmetric algorithms because their mathematics is a lot more complex. With symmetric algorithms, the mathematics and the logic functions are more simple in nature compared to the asymmetric. So asymmetric encryption and decryption actually takes too long. And some of the asymmetric algorithms actually can't encrypt a large amount of data. So asymmetric seems to deal with all the issues with this, that we have with symmetric, but it's too slow. So we just can't seem to win.